Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, a little rain, even some snow out there this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we've got another day here where it's unseasonably cool. We should see temperatures in the middle 70s. We're seeing temperatures in the low to mid 40s. It looks like it'll hold for one more day, and then we got the rain and precipitation that's been going on since yesterday night and morning, and it continues to be light and moving through in waves. And we've seen totals here, reaching up to a half inch in many locations, up to 3/4 of an inch to an inch on areas along Highway 36, and particularly in Cheyenne and western Rawlins County. And we've got some heavier amounts also in Oberlin area, south of Oberlin, down into the northern parts of Sheridan County that could be even over an inch of precipitation. But most generally, it's right around that half inch to 3/4 inch. It's continuing to rain on the Kansas side this morning. We got snow on the Colorado side where temperatures are being reported at 32 degrees, both in Goodland and Burlington, and have had snow at 3/4 mile visibility the last few hours. So there probably is some travel difficulty or slow travel along I-70 there from Goodland westward, but particularly in that Burlington area. We're going to continue here this morning. We'll have the winter weather activity out in Colorado, the advisories all the way to Denver. And then on the Kansas side, we'll start to see this rain tapering off starting midday into the afternoon from north to south. Total accumulations today could be only a few points to 10 points up along the Nebraska-Kansas border, upwards to 1/4 to a half an inch areas to the south as that system pulls away this evening. Skies will clear out this evening. Low temperatures will drop below freezing in the upper 20s out in Colorado, low 30s in northwest Kansas. So we got a freeze warning in place for counties west of Highway 27 and a freeze watch for the counties along 25, 83, and also Gove County on the Kansas side. So we're looking at temperatures in the low 30s at 32, maybe a 30-degree reading in low areas there tomorrow morning on those Kansas counties. Big warm up tomorrow afternoon. We should climb into the lower 70s. The winds will turn to a southwest direction, 10 to 20 miles per hour, going to 76 on Friday. Mother's Day weekend, there is a weak disturbance that will go through Saturday evening, Saturday night. Could trigger some scattered storm activity. It'd be very hit and miss. Go 80 for a high and windy on Saturday with northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Sunday will drop to 74, and then we're back up into the 80s for Monday, Tuesday. Might even hit 90 degrees there on Tuesday before we got another weak front Wednesday. It looks like it'll be dry. Drop the temperatures in the 70s, but most of next week looks dry with warmer than normal temperatures in the upper 70s to middle 80s. And we'll be watching for maybe a pattern shift Friday night, the following weekend, be the weekend of Rod Run here in Atwood, where we got the return of shower and thunderstorm chances.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Zurich.